Dear students of Saraswati English Academy, before this videos you watched all the opposite words. In this videos I will take your test. All students are ready for this test. All are ready now? Only 3 questions I will give you, and all the 3 questions belong to opposite words. So I think that all are ready to learn all the opposite words and answer me for question first. Listen carefully. Write opposite words. Question first. Write opposite words. Day, morning, big, long, love, dry, in, thin, black and honest. This is your first questions. Then your second questions. Look at the blackboard. Match it. Able, new, soft, take, forget. Match opposite words. This is your question third. Her, take, easy, able and poor. This is your questions number third. In this videos you should solve 3 questions. Okay? Remind all the answers in your mind. Use your mind and give me answer. Yes, tell me. What is this? Spelling of day. What means day? Day means din. Day means din. Opposite of day, night. What means night? Right answer? Yes, this is right answer now. Okay, then next, morning. Morning. What means morning? Opposite of morning. What? Evening. Okay. Evening. 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 What is this? Big. Big means bada. Opposite of big is small. What is this? Is small. Small means chota. Small means chota. Look at the blackboard. Long. Long means lamba. Long means lamba. Opposite of long, short. Short means chota. L-O-V, love. Opposite of love, hat. H-A-T-E, hate. D-R-Y, dry means sukha. Dry means sukha. Opposite of dry, wet. What means wet? In. Opposite of in, out. Your answer, out. Good. Next questions. thin. What means thin? Thin means patla. Thin means patla. Opposite of thin? Fat. Fat means mota. Black. Black means kala. Opposite of black? White. White means सफ़ेद. Honest. Honest means ईमानदार. Opposite of honest? Dishonest. What means dishonest? Dishonest means बेईमान. Now you write all the answer in your notebook. I will check. Write, dear students, in your notebook. Okay, then your next questions. Match it. Able. What mean able? Able means yogya. Able means yogya. N-E-W. New. New means नया. New means नया. S-O-F-T. Soft. Soft means soft को किससे मिलान करना है, मैच करना है? मुलायम से. T-A-K. Tack. Tack means लेना. Forget means भूलना. Forget means भूलना. Now read. Able means योग्य. New means नया. Soft मुलायम. Take लेना. Forget भूलना. Questions number 3. Listen me carefully and note this question in your notebook. Her. Here means यहाँ. Opposite of here. You match the there. Here to match there. Take लेना. Give देना. Take means लेना और give means देना. Easy आसान. Hard कठिन. Easy को किससे क्रॉस करना है? हार्ड से. एबल योग्य. अनएबल अयोग्य. पुअर गरीब. रिच अमीर. नाउ यू राइट इन योर नोटबुक एंड लर्न ऑल द स्पेलिंग्स. In this way, you solve 3 questions. Questions number 1, write opposite words. In this questions, you write all the opposite words. And in questions 2, match it that for mean. Match it for means new mean. And questions number 3, opposite words. Here, there, take, give, easy, hard, able, unable, poor, rich. In this type, you match all the answer and follow the questions. Question number 1 you write in your notebook and write answer and learn in mind. Question number 2 also and questions number 3. Now I will ask you some 3 spellings. black. Black का opposite white. Okay. Then like. Tell me opposite of like. Like का opposite words क्या होगा? Dislike. क्या होगा dear students? Dislike. Dislike. Like का opposite words dislike. Good. और obey का disobey. obey का अपोजिट वर्ड्स क्या होगा? disobey. इस प्रकार आप सारे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कीजिए. ऑल द क्वेश्चंस यू शुड सॉल्व इट इन योर नोटबुक. ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स, यू फाइंड ऑल आंसर्स. इस प्रकार से आपने सारे आंसर्स आपको फाइंड हुए, मिले. क्वेश्चंस नंबर फर्स्ट आपका सॉल्व हुआ, सेकंड और थर्ड तीनों क्वेश्चंस आपके सॉल्व हुए. और इन दिस वीडियोज वी राइट ऑल आंसर. बिफोर सम वीडियोज यू राइट अपोजिट वर्ड्स. देन ऑल स्टूडेंट लिसन वंस अगेन. योर ऑल क्वेश्चंस बिलोंग टू अपोजिट वर्ड्स एंड यू सॉल्व अपोजिट वर्ड्स आंसर. आपको सारे अपोजिट वर्ड्स अपनी कॉपी में लिखे हुए हैं, उनको आपको लर्न करना है और राइट करना है. और सारे जो क्वेश्चंस मैंने करवाए हैं, ये सारे क्वेश्चंस आपको अपनी नोटबुक में करना है. ओके, यू राइट इन योर नोटबुक नीट एंड क्लीन राइटिंग. इन देन कमिंग नेक्स्ट वीडियोज यू वॉच सम अनदर एग्जाम्पल्स फॉर न्यू चैप्टर. Then continue to us, watch our videos daily and get benefits daily. Okay, dear students, watch it.